Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to run Python program in Cursor. So here, if I go into this command prompt, then write there Python. Then you can see Python we need to write. Then you can see 3.14 version is in my system. Now let's open the Cursor. So this is the Cursor AI editor. So open a project. So let's create one directory new, then giving here the name Python 1. Then after the next is let's click on this open. Here on the desktop Python 1 is there. Let's select this. Select this. Then here you can see this is the I sent here Python 1 directory that's selected. So here you need to wait for few seconds, or let's here create a file new text file. So text file, and then after let's write there print, then printing here hello world. Then after control S to save. So giving here test dot, for Python we need to give the extension py. Now here this is we need to install this message that's come there in this Python language. Let's click on this install. So Python package is now installing inside the Cursor editor. This Python extension that installed there. Then after let's go on this test py, and there let's right click then start debugging. So Python debugger choosing this Python file. So this is now starting there, and now hello world this is displaying. Then after the next is let's to test this code, and pasting after this control S to save, and this here. Now the after let's start once again. Okay, so this here hello world, enter first number 8 9. So 9 and 8 sum. So here sum is we need to give the after space here sum result. So some result, and now let's see this here some result is there. Now let's save this, then again start debugging. So hello world, then let's write there 9 8 17, that's display. Okay, now so this is how we can run this Python code inside the Cursor editor. Here is the AI content. So let's ask something. Add two numbers in Python. So this here. Now you can get the code displays, and this code you can also try into this. Paste there, then control S, then run the code. So now you can see displays 8 pads displaying. Okay, so this is how we can use this Cursor editor, and this is how we can run Python program in Cursor editor. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.